the LZ40 in Lanzarote. It connects Puerto del Carmen with the airport, and on the way to when I was going the other way earlier on, I saw 3 roadkills smashed into the middle of the road. Here's the first one, and in about half a kilometer or something you will see the next one. It's absolutely disgusting and undignified for the dead animal. Here's the next one. I don't even know what it is, because it could be a rabbit, it could be a cat, but they have been so smashed into the asphalt already by people driving over them. It's absolutely gross, and it seems that nobody is picking them up. There's no cleaners or anything. I don't know how long they've been lying there. They could be there for like days and weeks. I mean, here's the third one, and I just thought I'd make a video of it, and I don't know if you were able to see them, but anyway, there you go. It seems to be nobody's responsibility to take dead animals out of the road here in Lanzarote.